Melaye is not suspended. The letter was forged, says PDP. People's Democratic Party in Ijumu local government area has denounced the alleged suspension of Senator Dino Melaye. The PDP chairman in Ijumu, Olorumaye Olabode, released a statement calling the suspension letter a forgery. He claims it was fabricated by external enemies of the party in a hasty attempt to undermine Melaye's leadership. According to Olabode, no World Congress or local government congress took place in Ijumu to elect national delegates. The chapter also distanced itself from the state Congress held in Lokoja on the 31st of August, labeling it as an illegal arrangement. The statement vehemently defends Melaye, describing him as the voice of the voiceless and highlighting his contributions to the party. This includes paying for the state headquarters accommodation, staff salaries, and providing funds for membership cards and operational costs. The Ijumu PDP chapter challenged Melaye's accusers to provide evidence of any anti-party activities. They asserted that the purported dismissal letter is riddled with inconsistencies and violates the party's constitution by failing to follow due process. This development was earlier reported by NaijaNews TV that the World Executive in Ayeto Rogbede claimed to have suspended Melaye for alleged anti-party activities and failing to respond to their invitation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates on this developing story.